Closed captioning for Great Tastes is presented by Manitoba Pulse and Soybean Growers, growing pulses and soybeans for the health of people and the environment. Manitoba Liquor Mart presents Great Tastes of Manitoba. Great Tastes is brought to you by GreatTastesMB.ca. Local farms, local foods. Great Taste is sponsored by the Government of Canada and Manitoba Agriculture through the Canadian Agricultural Partnership. Welcome to Great Tastes of Manitoba. My name is Des Daniels, and we are here tonight with Manitoba Pulse and Soybean Growers. We have another brand new food expert on the show, Chef Gordon Bailey. Welcome.
Thank you.
And of course, Aaron Alblas, Product Ambassador, Manitoba Liquor Mart, is going to do some beverage pairings for us. So welcome aboard. We're starting off tonight, Pulse's half-cup habit. So I think probably health, nutrition, be part of our conversation tonight.
Yeah, I want to get people on the half-cup habit, which is basically half cup of pulses 3 times a week. It'll increase your nutrition, your protein, your vitamins, your fiber, and all that sort of good stuff that keeps you going.
So we're going to talk a little bit more about that. So just quickly run through our recipes. What are we actually making tonight? Okay,
so tonight we're going to be making a Middle Eastern chickpea salad, okay, with lots of aromatic spices. We're making a black bean and meatball, or lamb meatball, which is like super tasty, and it's a great way to have like lamb maybe for the first time if you haven't had it before.
Yep.
And then we're going to be making one of my favorites, tomato lentil stew.
All right. Are you on it?
I'm on it. Inspired by Chef Gordon's creativity, we're going to dive into the world of mixology, and we're going to make some cocktails, kind of talk about how, you know, each spirit, whether it be vodka, whether it be gin, whether it be rum, you can use your personal creativity to put your own spin on classic recipes.
Nice.
Mixology, see you in a bit. All right, so here we go. Recipe number 1, Middle Eastern chickpea salad with Za'atar.
With Za'atar, which is a really awesome fragrant spice blend. There's going to have oregano, thyme, toasted sesame seeds, and of course sumac, which is a nice kind of like dried fruit that gives it a lemony tang.
Okay.
But we're going to start with our dressing for this.
Yeah.
So we're going to start with some Dijon, some lemon juice, and then we're going to whisk in.
That's like a mountain of garlic you have there, by the way.
I have a lot, and I do enjoy it.
It's like a mountain of garlic.
You can use as much as you like. Some people love garlic. Some people like to have just a touch of garlic.
Yeah, fair
I
enough.
tend to love garlic.
Sure.
So we're just going to whisk those together.
So you're just like free pouring that canola oil.
Well, I like to pour it in slowly just so I get that emulsification happening, right? Which kind of helps coat the whole chickpea salad.
This looks like the perfect kind of salad. Like I like to make a salad exactly like this or along these lines, and then sort of have it for the whole week, or at least for 2 or 3 days, and then take it for lunch, and then it's all kind of pre-done,
Oh yeah, this is
right?
something you could meal prep on a Sunday or a Monday, and it'll last you totally the whole week.
Yeah, and that's actually, I think, an easy way to eat healthy too, right? You have to kind of pre-plan a little bit, and so this half-cup habit, this is really all you need. Half a cup, and you're getting like a ton of nutritional benefit, throughout the week.
Oh, big time, yeah. So now I'm going to add my spices, which is cumin, coriander, clove, and nutmeg.
Okay. So this is not the Za'atar. That's coming up in a minute.
That's coming up. That's going to be our final topper.
Final, okay.
So we whisk those together. Then we're going to add our tomatoes. And I use some nice cherry tomatoes right now. They're super fresh, in season. Then we're going to add our cucumber. We're going to add our red onion.
Peak of the market, red onion. Thank you, thank you.
You bet you. We're going to take out our whisk. And then I like to just fold to incorporate all those flavors together. And
yeah,
of course,
that's coming
something
together. Looks like something.
Yeah, something that I teach everybody that's new to cooking or even like been cooking for a while is make sure you're always seasoning, okay? All the way through. Don't wait to the very end to add your salt and pepper.
Oh, really?
Yeah, season and taste it. That way you can always add more at the end if you want to, but it's tough to take it out.
Can't take it out.
No.
Can you? Yeah, you can't actually take it out at all. That's a good idea.
So we're gonna fold that together. We're gonna then add our cooked chickpeas.
Okay.
Which are great. I mean, super tasty. It's easy to cook. I usually let them soak overnight, then boil them until they're nice and tender. But if you want to, and you're in a time pinch, you can definitely use canned chickpeas. Totally.
Okay.
Of course.
I don't know. I don't think I've ever actually prepared like dried chickpeas before. Canned's just so easy. And I just wanted to mention, we're going to get into the Za'atar here in just a minute, but lots of great ideas on the website, GreatTastesMB.ca. You'll find this recipe there. You'll find other recipes using Za'atar. So yeah, we can maybe talk a little bit more about that in a second. Okay, so where are we at here?
Okay, we're at the finishing stages. That's how awesome these are, because it's so quick to make.
Love it.
Okay, super colorful. Lots more vegetables in there to add to that health benefits. We're gonna add that into our serving bowl.
Okay.
And if you want to, what you can do is I have the feta cheese, which can be tossed in while you do the mixing, or what I like to do is just put a little bit
That's how you dress it.
on top,
Oh, it's lovely.
like that. And then of course, going back to our beautiful fragrant Za'atar blend.
Wow, yeah, yeah.
So you'll notice that has that really nice sort of lemony punch, which goes very well with this Mediterranean
Everything
salad.
else we have going on there. There
little
it
drip on top.
is. Tra-la. Okay, I'm just gonna steal this because you don't need to use this for anything. I'm just
No,
gonna
please,
steal
go
and have
ahead.
a little taste here because I gotta. Wow, it's just like lots happening. Lemon. It's just ever so good. Okay,
Yeah,
there it is.
Super fresh, aromatic, tasty, healthy, light, great for summer, great for winter, great year round.
All right, coming up, we're gonna do Manitoba lamb and black bean meatballs with minted Greek yogurt. Yes, don't go away. You're on Great Taste of Manitoba.
You're watching Great Tastes of Manitoba, brought to you in part by the Government of Canada and Manitoba Agriculture through the Canadian Agricultural Partnership.